Has your Brussels Airlines flight been delayed, cancelled, or did you miss a connecting flight? Don't worry, you could be eligible for compensation. In this video, I'll take you through the simple steps to claim compensation for any issues with Brussels Airlines flights using Compensair. Trusted by many travelers, Compensair handles the entire process, making it stress-free for you. Let's get started. First, head to Compensair. While you can search for the website online, I recommend using the safe link provided in the description of this video to avoid any phishing sites. Once on the site, you'll need to fill in your Brussels Airlines flight details. This includes your departure and destination cities, flight number, and the date of your flight, all of which you can find on your ticket or confirmation email. Next, provide your personal information, like your full name and email address. Don't worry, Compensair ensures that all your details are kept safe and secure. After entering everything, take a moment to review the details for accuracy, then hit Submit. Compensair will take it from here, managing all the communication with Brussels Airlines to secure the compensation you're entitled to. All you have to do is wait for their updates. When your claim is successful, you'll get an email notification, and your compensation will be sent directly to your preferred account. And that's it. With Compensair, getting compensation for a delayed, cancelled, or missed Brussels Airlines flight is easy and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.